Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in the heart of Canyon Meadows. Now, this is no regular home here. We're heading to what was once the attached garage, but it has since been converted into fully livable space, obviously being used as a bedroom, very multi-purpose, could be used as a great office space as well, or perhaps a gym if you kept this incredible indoor heated private pool. Isn't this just incredible? I love this. I hope I can spend some time here during maybe some open houses. And if you ask maybe where the garage went, well, welcome to a newly finished triple garage. Great backyard space here as well. And notice with the newer roof and newer siding, recently painted deck. And of course back onto your kitchen space. You can tell that this was extremely upgraded in the past. Look at these incredible appliances from the 60s, believe it or not. Original hardwood floors. And your kitchen sides onto a formal dining room, as well as the living space. Now we're heading back to the front entrance of the house here. You know me, of course, I have to start that tour over by that pool. Now, there's a large living room also being used as a bedroom. There is access to by the front of the home as well. Full laundry here and a full bathroom. Now, this home for many years has been a very successful Airbnb boarding room style of home. You can see with the number of bedrooms in here, and of course the amenities that you can offer. Another full bedroom behind me. This would be the master bedroom with a full walk-in closet and bathroom as well. Another bedroom. You know, no shortage of bedrooms, as you can tell in here. And of course, behind me we have yet another bedroom. Here, obviously, some great community space with the gas fireplace. There's another entrance to that bedroom over there that I was talking about, and a bit of a kitchenette style. We have a sauna, fully functional, full bathroom here, and of course back up to the incredible pool. Now, if you didn't want to keep this pool, it wouldn't take a whole lot to drain this, frame it, put some flooring down, and it could be used as a big rec room, office space, a gym. You can see why this has been a great rental investment property, but it could also be used for those extended families, those business owners. There's a daycare across the street, that's another option. If you guys have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.